friends, welcome back. My name is Roline, and actually today I'm going to show you how you can use video as featured videos instead of images on your WooCommerce website. Okay, take an example of my website. This is an e-commerce website selling digital products, but sometimes I need to use featured video instead of images. For example, right now if we click one of the product, we see the featured product is just an image. Okay, so we need to make a featured here to be a video instead of image, as we see from top websites like this one. You see, if you come here, you'll find a video instead of image, then other images will follow. We can do that also in our WooCommerce website. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, yeah, so remember, subscribe if it's your first time to watch all my videos, and let's get started. The first thing you should have is a WooCommerce website. You see, this is WooCommerce website, this is online store. Okay, the thing that you're going to do is to visit our dashboard. Okay, use the dashboard. Yes, absolutely, this is my user dashboard. I'm going to add up a new plugin which will help me to make a featured video. So navigate here to plugins. Okay, here navigate to plugin, add a new plugin. Okay, add a new plugin, and we shall search here the free plugin which is featured video. Okay, search here, search featured video, okay, search this plugin. Also it will help us. Okay, it is featured by first one here. You see it has almost 2,000 active installation. Okay, so we are going to install this plugin. It will help us to make a simple featured video for our products, and on integration is really very easy. I'm going to show you everything. So after installation, you click on activate. You activate this plugin. Okay, it takes some few seconds to activate, then you shall be redirected to another page. Okay, yeah, so now this is the setup wizard. You can skip it if you don't mind subscribing for newsletters. Okay, yes, so here we have this one. So this is a setup wizard for this. This is the setup wizard for this plugin. You see, and it gives us some hints here. You see, like where do you want to include your featured video. Okay, for example, from posts. Okay, so you activate post. Okay, let's say we need to activate also on products, so I'm going to activate on products and post. That's where the thumbnail we need it to be the video instead of images. If you like to activate other options, maybe in the thank you page you can add up a video, no problem, but for now I'm going to use up these ones. Okay, and our main goal, the goal for this video was to show how you can do this on the products. Okay, so after make sure that you have selected the required options, you are going to save this. Okay, so if we visit back to our products, it means we shall find extended or added section for featured video. Let me show you. Okay, so we are going to edit one of the products, like here on the products. Here we click on all products. Then if you don't have any product, by the way, you can add up a new product, but if I have existing product, I'm going to edit. Okay, so I'm going to edit this product so that we can see if we have the option of adding a featured video. Okay, yes, so here it is. If we navigate back here down, okay, if we navigate at the end here, you see, if you navigate here at the top right corner here, you'll find this option. This option gives you like featured video, so you select. If you have a video, you can upload it directly to your WordPress servers, or you can embed this using a link. Maybe this link is from YouTube or anywhere, or any video hosting website. Okay, so let's take it from YouTube. Okay, so I'm just going to visit back to my YouTube channel, and let's copy a link so that you can link it out. Then we save, and to see if we can load this video from a featured video. Okay, so let's take an example, like we need a featured video to be, let me use actually my video so that you can be able to differentiate them. Okay, so this is my video. So let me open it, and you have a link, so I'm going to copy this link Okay, yes. So I just copied this link. You see, this is the URL of the video, then this is copied already. So we're going to paste this here and the embedded link. So I'm going to paste this. Then what you do is to save. Okay, so this is the plugin that we installed, is the plugin which gives us this option. Okay, so this, after saving this, it is going to overwrite this product image and give us the featured video. Okay, let's visit back our website here and visit the site and try out this product. Okay, yes, the product was this one. I see. So you see now we have almost the two options. We have the video, also we have a thumbnail. Sometimes it fails to load due to some issues. Okay, you see now the video did not load well. So what we can do is, maybe if it is a short video, you can upload it direct. Okay, sometimes there is default connections with YouTube APIs, so we can use self, whereby we shall upload the video. Okay, so I'm going to select any random video, but make sure that it is a video of your products, and it is very good if it is compressed so that it cannot overload your save. Okay, so like, yes, absolutely. Let us use which video. Let me check if I have a video that we can use here. Okay, I need the demonstrated video. Okay, yes, let's use this is a NS video. Okay, so it's just a video for NS, but no problem, we are using this for demonstration. So you upload out your video here, and after it is completed here, you use this video. Okay, so the thing that you should do is you should omit this product image, because it will be overwritten with this featured video. Instead, you're going to add a product gallery. So this image is product gallery, like this is a gallery, is going to be shown beneath the video. Okay, so let me say about this. Remember, we added this video. If we preview it here, it is like this. It has no sound, so it is cool. So you can edit up some script, some video clips, and trim out them. Sometimes you can mute them if you like to, then you should have the good video. After there, we're going to visit the website. Okay, visit back the website. For now, we shall find the featured video instead of featured image. Okay, so this is it. Okay, you see, this is it. And here we did not add up actually the product image, but if we visit out to the product here, you see we have a featured video. You see, we have a featured video. So this is how it looks like. So if a customer visits your website, we'll preview the video of the product instead of watching the images, the random images that you have added. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, so you can do this. You can use the plugin, and you can modify it as much as you can, so that you can give your customer the good experience of using videos instead of images, while showing the featured products, the featured video products for your videos instead of featured images. Okay, so this is also applicable in WordPress websites, as we saw here. You see, this is a video also. I think this has the audio. So this has the audio, but if you don't need the audio, you can mute the audio. But if you want audio, so you can use audio as they used it here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I think if it's useful, please like the video. Also comment in the comment section below if you have anything, or you want us to add up some things, some recommendations. Please comment it in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Let's meet into another video.